What is Bluehost and what does it offer? Founded in 1996, Bluehost is a web hosting company that has steadily grown in terms of popularity across the world. Currently, it hosts and powers over 2 million websites the world over. It's also worthwhile noting that its strong relationship with WordPress is what made it the official web hosting company recommended by WordPress since 2006. Hi, Konstantin Abreu here, founder of Cashflux Files channel, and in today's video, I'm going to do a full review in one of the best hosting platforms, Bluehost. Plus make sure you stay till the end because I'm going to reveal to you how you get 3 extraordinary bonuses if you decide to go ahead and use Bluehost. If you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified every time I upload new videos like this. Now if you wonder why Bluehost it's a company recommended by WordPress, then let's go straight to the point. We are going to look at its reliability, performance, customer support, features, pricing, and such. Read on. Performance. Speed is the most crucial performance metric you should always look for. You see, speed affects the experience of users on your website. Also, it affects SEO rankings. For a 650 kilobytes sized site, results load in less than 2 seconds, which is faster than 85% of the speed in most sites. In terms of server response time, Bluehost servers in the United States perform under less than a second, 35 milliseconds to 89 milliseconds, to be precise. Besides these aspects, Bluehost prides itself on offering users consistent uptime of not less than 99% throughout the year, which means that sites hosted at Bluehost are always fast and easily accessible all year round. Features and pricing. Shared hosting. If you are running a low-traffic site, then this is the perfect way to get started. In this plan, your site will be sharing hosting resources with other sites. Cloud sharing. This is a slight upgrade to what we have talked about above. This plan will allow you to utilize many servers at the same time. What this means is that you don't have to worry in the event of hardware failure or increased traffic. VPS. Virtual Private Server Hosting is the plan that allows you to use virtual dedicated hosting resources that you will be sharing with other websites. Dedicated server hosting. This means that you will be allowed all the resources of a given server to yourself, alone. But remember that you will have to maintain your allocated server entirely on your own. WooCommerce hosting. We all know WooCommerce as the popular WordPress e-commerce plugin, right? Well, this hosting allows you to utilize all the features you need to get your e-commerce store up and running. WordPress hosting. If yours is a WordPress-powered site, this is the best option for you, because it is not only optimized to power WordPress, it can also protect you against threats. The shared hosting is usually the best option for starter websites, and it is broken down as follows. Basic, 1 website, 1 domain, 25 subdomains, 50 GB web storage, 5 custom email accounts each with 100 MB storage space, and a $2.95 monthly subscription until renewal, in which case you will start paying $7.99 p.m. Plus, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited web space, unlimited websites, and unlimited custom email accounts. For this plan, you will pay $5.45 p.m. until renewal, after which you will pay $10.99 p.m. Prime. Besides all the features of Plus, Prime allows you Site Backup Pro and domain privacy. It also has the same starting price as Plus, but you will start paying $14.99 per month after renewal. Customer support. It is important to choose a web hosting company that will come through to help you every time you are experiencing problems. One such company is Bluehost. They provide users with plenty of articles, guides, tutorials, and you will also love their 24/7 customer support system. Is Bluehost the ultimate web hosting company? The answer to that question is yes. Why? Well, see the pros and cons of Bluehost web hosting. Pros: best load speed and uptime of 99.99% throughout the year. Quick and reliable 24/7 customer support. Fast install for website tools. Relatively affordable. High-quality security options. Plenty of integration, e-commerce, apps, and top-notch features. WordPress recommended hosting company. 30-day money-back provision. Easy to use for both beginners and pros. Cons: site transfers have a cost. Higher renewal charges. Many unnecessary add-ons during sign-up. Verdict: Bluehost is hereby recommended. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to like and share it, plus I would love to hear from you in a comment below. In the same time, I run a campaign, so if you purchase a Bluehost subscription using my link in the description, I will offer you 3 free training courses to help boost your business. Please follow the steps in description to be able to get them.